Hey there, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Today I have an unboxing for you with the Hearts for You January 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. We have some glue dots. Our Stampin' Spot is real red. Looks like we have some hearts, but I'll go over that. Here's our instruction sheet and the suggested way to put them together. And we have our add-on dies, as well as our colors for this month are Flirty Flamingo, Petal Pink, Real Red, and Champagne Foil. And here are our stamps. So a very pretty font for You Have My Heart and Love, Celebrate Love, You're My Favorite, You, Hearts, and a Sprig. So lots of stuff that can be used not just for Valentine's Day. We have some Real Red Baker's Twine. And another little bag of glue dots. Oh, and they said the glue dots that were initially included in the kits were defective in some manner. So I'm gonna put those aside. And there's adorable little hearts for embellishments, and they have a little bit of glitter on them. And we have dimensionals. And this looks like bits for decorating our card fronts. There's 3 of those with some gold foil on the edges. Here are the envelopes. There's a stripe pattern on the outside where the inside is plain, so that can work. Once we chop that up, we can use that as designer paper. And there's 9 of those. Okay, here are card bases. Okay, so we have 3 with this diagonal stripe pattern and white on the inside. And this looks like card fronts, and hearts pop out of them. So make sure when you pop these hearts out that you save them, because you can use them for something else. And then that goes on there. Oh, that's really cute with that showing through there. So we have 3 of those. Now we have some banners. So we have some short ones. And some longer, narrower ones with 2 ends flagged. And then we have some heart borders. Super cute. This could even be used as a stencil. You'd have to cover up the edges though to make sure you didn't get the ink through that. So there's 2 sheets of that. And then we have some marbled Flirty Flamingo card bases with white. And there's 3 of those. And 4 labels with foil edges. And then we have some nice hearts here of various sizes. There's only 1 sheet of those. And then 3 more card bases with some very faint hearts on the front. And more die cuts. So various shaped hearts, various sizes of hearts, and the word love, and more hearts. Love these die cuts. And there you have it. Please keep an eye on my channel for my alternatives. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching.